How to start? How to start? You can start with the grammar. You can start with the grammar. What is your intention? What is your intention? Nothing. I just want a day off. Nothing. I just want a day off. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? I am alright. I am alright. Do you want to go there again? Do you want to go there again? Definitely, I will go there. Definitely, I will go there. When will you go on holiday? When will you go on holiday? Next month. Next month. How long have you been waiting for me? How long have you been waiting for me? For 15 minutes. For 15 minutes. Is he at home? Is he at home? Yes, he is at home. Yes, he is at home. Should I wait for you here? Should I wait for you here? Whatever you want. Whatever you want. What is the date today? What is the date today? Today is 9th June. Today is 9th June. Why do you want my number? Why do you want my number? To speak if necessary. To speak if necessary. Should we go out tonight? Should we go out tonight? No, I am tired. Let's stay home. No, I am tired. Let's stay home. May I use your phone? May I use your phone? Yes, of course you can. Yes, of course you can. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. How long will it take? How long will it take? It will take an hour. It will take an hour. Where to sleep? Where to sleep? You can sleep on the sofa. You can sleep on the sofa. Did he say anything about it? Did he say anything about it? No, he did not say anything. No, he did not say anything. Did you invite him? Did you invite him? No, I did not invite him. No, I did not invite him. Do you deliver on Sundays? Do you deliver on Sundays? No, Sunday is my day off. No, Sunday is my day off. Will it rain today? Will it rain today? I don't think it will rain. I don't think it will rain. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? No, thank you. No, thank you. Why to go? Why to go? There is some work to be done, so. There is some work to be done, so. May I sit next to you? May I sit next to you? Yes, of course you can. Yes, of course you can. Do you like snow? Do you like snow? No, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. Was I wrong? Was I wrong? No, you were not wrong. No, you were not wrong. Did you see him go out? Did you see him go out? Yes, I saw him. Yes, I saw him. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Here is some work. Here is some work. Who is your friend? Who is your friend? John is my friend. John is my friend. What does your father do? What does your father do? He is a doctor. He is a doctor. What did you buy? What did you buy? Some vegetables. Some vegetables. Has he failed again? Has he failed again? No, he did not fail this time. No, he did not fail this time. Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Yes, of course we can. Yes, of course we can. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? I am good. I am good. I am feeling well. I am feeling well. Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? He is my friend. He is my friend. Can you handle it? Can you handle it? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Who are you? Who are you? I am the manager of this office. I am the manager of this office. What would you like to have? What would you like to have? A cup of tea a cup of tea only. Or just a cup of tea. Just a cup of tea. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Sometimes. Sometimes. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.